have to show you this absolutely amazing inflatable pool that I was given so I could give you guys a fair and honest review. You can see this one is the 3-tiered option. It was super simple to be able to set up. It really did inflate in just seconds, and I absolutely love that it comes with these 4 chairs so that it really does attract your whole family. The whole neighborhood kind of pops over whenever we set this up. The materials are amazing quality, and I am really excited because this is going to last us all summer long and for years to come. It is the 80 by 80 with a 32-inch tall, so once you sit down in there, you really feel like you are inside of this pool. It is so fantastic that it has multiple cup holders, and it is so easy to be able to set up, as well as be able to get the water out of the pool and drain it, and then just pack it up and store it for your next time use. I really do love this, and I love the quality of it. I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a pool that is super simple to set up, something that you can use over and over again, and really does help cool off those warm summer months. This is such a great thick quality plastic material so that it's really easy to clean, durable, and it's really great for, as you can see, littles. We set this up and the whole neighborhood wanted to come over and play with it. So if you are looking for a pool for the summertime, I would absolutely recommend checking this one out. We have loved using it, and our little ones asked for us to set it up all the time. We keep it set up, and it's just so much fun to play with. So we would definitely recommend it. I love this.